Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to technology, psychology, food, animals, sports, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Every time you try to remember a dangerous experience, your brain cells break DNA strands in many locations, a new study reveals. Two pictures stitched together from Nazi rally at Ritzern Gedenkfest in 1934 make you realize how enormous it actually was. Opioid is painkiller which is present in our saliva, which is 6 times more powerful than morphine. 20% of Earth's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world and the smallest ocean in Arctic. The Statue of Liberty gifted from the French people to USA in 1886. The most expensive wood in the world is African blackwood, which is extremely rare. Black mamba, fastest snake in the world, is also one of the deadliest. Mount Everest may be the tallest mountain above sea level, but when it comes to the tallest mountain on earth, that honor goes to Mauna Kea. Stapes is the smallest part in our body. ₹1,500 crore world's largest toy museum to be built in Gujarat. 11 lakh toys will be special here. Sunflowers can help clean radioactive soil. Japan is using this to rehabilitate Fukushima. Canada has 9% of the world's forest. The biggest living thing on Earth is a massive fungus. Tardigrades are microorganisms that can survive in outer space. The blue bird from the Twitter logo has a name Larry. Iceland, divided by the North American and European tectonic plates, is growing by nearly 5 cm per year. Kim Jong-un orders North Korea to give up pet dogs to save country from meat shortage. The 365-day calendar that is divided into 12 months was invented in Egypt. A leech has 32 brains, 9 pairs of testicles, and several hundred teeth. The longest muscle in the body is the tongue. Optophobia, the fear of opening one's eyes. The oceans contain almost 200,000 different kinds of viruses. Angels Falls, world's highest waterfall, approximately 15 times taller than Niagara Falls. Mayday is the word that is used instead of SOS in radio chat. %99 of the microbes that live inside humans are unknown to science. An aircraft takes off or lands every 37 seconds at Chicago International Airport. Tokyo is the world's largest city with 37 million inhabitants. Three people posed for a photo while wearing face masks during the second wave of the Spanish flu in California 1918. Crocodiles don't die of old age because they don't age biologically. Sleeping without a pillow reduces back pain and keeps your spine stronger. Eating chocolate while studying helps the brain retain new information easily. A research found that 80% people tries to fall back asleep in the morning just to finish their incomplete dream. Goldfish will not stop eating if there is food available, regardless of how full they are. TenorShare is the software used by the forensic departments to recover the permanently deleted files from Android device. Putting dry tea bags in a pair of smelly shoes can help absorb the unpleasant smell. Music is one of the few activities in life that involves using the whole brain. A woman named Veronica Sider has vision 20 times better than average. A fuel tank for a motorbike made out of glass. The Russian Navy reported that 3 divers were killed and others injured by humanoid creatures in silver clothing in the depths of Lake Baikal. There are at least 10 recorded cases of people dying from laughter. Giraffes only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep in a 24-hour period. Your face turns red when you are angry because your heart is beating faster to send more blood to your muscles, preparing you for a fight. In order to burn just 1 calorie, you need to click a mouse button 10 million times. Thanks for watching.